Well, in order to understand the different phases of the cell cycle, you need to know what happens in each phase. So you have the first part of the cell cycle, which is the longest part. It's the inner phase. Okay, in the inner phase, there is duplication of DNA, and DNA is in chromatin form. What does that mean exactly? So that means that the cell still looks the same. There is a cell membrane, there's a nuclear membrane, and inside the nucleus there is DNA, but the DNA is still in chromatin form, means it's still in form that is not condensed, that is not solid, it's fluidy, jelloish, okay? And I'm gonna show you how that looks like. Here you draw your cell membrane, your nuclear membrane, okay? And your chromosomes, since I said you start with 6 chromosomes, I don't care right now. They're not gonna look like chromosome. It's gonna be chromatin that looks like this. Now with prophase, it shows that DNA is in chromosomes form, and each chromosome is gonna have 2 chromatids because we said that the DNA is already duplicated in the inner phase. The nuclear membrane is gonna start disappearing. So for that reason, you're gonna draw your cell membrane like this, and your nuclear membrane is gonna look like it's disappearing. Okay, so you put it in dots like this, and then you're gonna put your chromosomes, and your chromosomes, like we said, they're 6. So you're gonna show me chromosomes with 2 chromatids, and I need to see 6 of them, since I said this cell has 6 chromosomes. Now in the metaphase, we say that the spindle fiber forms and the chromosomes are gonna line up at the equator of the cell. So your cell is gonna look like this now. There is no cell membrane, it's a nuclear membrane, it disappears, and there is formation of something we call the spindle fiber right here that looks like this. And on the spindle fiber, you're going to have your chromosome line up at the equator of the cell, which means the center of the cell. And like I said, it has to be line up in the middle, and there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chromosomes, okay, lined up at the equator of the cell. In anaphase, you have separation of chromatids of the same chromosome. So see these chromosomes, each one has 2 chromatids. Each chromatid of each chromosome is gonna migrate into one pole of the cell. So basically, your cell is still going to look like this. You're going to have your spindle fiber, looking like this, okay? And then your 6 chromosomes are gonna separate. Each chromatid is gonna migrate. So this first chromosome has 2 chromatids. One chromatid will be here, and one chromatid will be there. The second one chromatid will be here, one chromatid will be there. The third chromosome, one chromatid will be here, one chromatid will be there. The fourth chromosome, one chromatid here, one chromatid there. The fifth chromosome, one chromatid here, one chromatid there. The sixth chromosome, one chromatid here, and one chromatid there. And this is what your cell looks like in anaphase. In telophase, I said the cell membrane pinches to prepare for division. Nuclear membrane is going to appear again. So you're going to have the look of the peanut because the cell membrane is going to pinch in the middle, okay? And now it's going to look like you're having 2 nuclei, which means 2 nucleus. The cell membrane is reappearing, okay? And you're going to have chromosomes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the end one, in the cytokinesis, there is division of the cell membrane. The 2 nuclei now are 2 new cells that are identical to each other and to original cell. So you're gonna have this 1 and 2. Nuclear membrane is completely formed, and you're going to have the 6 chromosomes inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that would be it.